Right here I have this amazing flannel shirt that you're looking for. Hey, what's up guys? My name is TJ and today I have this awesome green color flannel. This feels so comfortable and it's very, very warm. Now I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up getting the size medium in this shirt and I do think that it fits really good. I love the details on this shirt when you really get close up and take a look. Traditionally, you can go with the plaid and they do have a ton of other options to choose from when it comes to that. But I ended up going with a solid color because I thought it would be a great accent piece and I've been wanting one of these for a while. So on the collar, we're gonna have a double line here. Seems to be the same fabric as this. Very, very soft on the outside. And I love the tortoise style buttons that we're gonna have on here. They're all just different and they look so cool. It's such a nice accent piece that you're gonna have. Something like this you could just wear open. You can button it up just a little bit or you can button it all the way up and it's gonna give you a really nice fit as well. This does snug up on the neck really nicely. So if you do want to have that buttoned up, it's going to be really, really good. So we also get a functional pocket in the front, which is really nice to throw a couple things in there. Maybe you're going to be working with a shirt like this and it's just good to have that function. On the actual cufflink, we're only going to have one button. This isn't going to be adjustable. So one size on there, we get one more button on the forearm. I do like the way that these feel and it's going to have a really soft lining on the inside there. So when you roll this cuff up, it's just going to have a nice look and give you a little bit more freedom and mobility throughout. So I really like that. Rolling this up, it feels good, it feels tight, and it's just such a nice accent flannel. It's really thick. It's definitely going to keep you warm during the winter, the fall, and the spring season, no matter what. You could throw a vest on here and make this look absolutely amazing. But I'm in love with the way that this looks, and I know they have a ton of other colors to choose from. So if you guys are looking for some nice style piece, this is an essential to have in your wardrobe. Make sure you check out all the other colors that they have to offer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.